Howdy folks. Today I'm going to be making a little mallet with the CNC. First mallet project using the CA glue and painter's tape to secure it down to the wasteboard. So my planer is not working, or I'm too dumb to make it work, so I'm just going to face both sides of this. As you can see, I need to trim it more. It's burning a little hot there, but that'll be fine. It'll sand out. It's probably fine. So got that all faced and essentially down to about 3/4 of an inch. And then yeah, I'm just using the cheap knockoff, I don't know, it's a 1/4 inch upcut bit. It's the only one I've got. So just went around and so one thing that I learned here is that for this line that cuts all the way through, both on the handle and on the two sides of the mallet, I cut it on the line and it's a little bit too narrow. So I made another mallet since then and cut it on the outside of the line, and it's a lot more comfortable to hold. But yeah, so I got this file for free, found it online. I can't remember where exactly, but it took me a little bit in easel to figure it out, just because I don't really know how to use it. But these two side pieces, as you were, just pocket them out, and then it'll have the pins, the alignment pins there that'll fit into the center body, and yeah, just let it go. So once that got done, it took about 15 minutes. I just came in and trimmed off these tabs. If I did it again, I wouldn't use the tabs, to be honest with you. And if you see right here, flip the breaker. Oops. But yeah, with the painter's tape and super glue, I didn't really need those tabs. It would have stayed stuck down to the wasteboard just fine. And then here I'm just kind of cleaning up the bonding faces, routing the handle with a roundover bit. Then I decided it'd be a really good idea to glue this up on the wasteboard of the CNC, which, as you can see, was a great idea. I didn't make a mess at all or get a bunch of glue in those T-tracks that I had to clean out later. So yeah, super boneheaded. That was super fun. So anyway, yeah, got it out of there the next day, sanded it down with a couple different types of sanders. It didn't take all that long, maybe 15 or 20 minutes of work. And then I'm making this for my sister, who owns a shaved ice food truck cart thing in Texas. So I chucked in the laser and put their logo on it here. Came out pretty good. Scorched a bit more than I thought it was going to, but that's alright. We can fix that. So sanded off those scorch marks. Super easy. Took maybe a minute or so. Came in, chucked it in some mineral oil, let it soak for a little bit, and that was it. I mean, this is a day later after it's soaked in. I mean, for my first one, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Feels really nice. So thanks for coming out. See ya.